This is why you see a lot of the gurus on YouTube. You see all these guys talking about how they're making hundreds of thousands of dollars on Amazon, selling on Amazon, yet they're on YouTube. Why do you think that is? Because they're getting a lot of money making YouTube videos. Trust me.
I like my money crazy, man, out of control. Only real thing I count on, count my dough. No breaks, no stopping, no talking, nobody knows.
What's up, family? So I'm gonna make a lazy video today. You know what I mean? Where I just kick back because I just feeling lazy today. I'm feeling, I'm feeling comfortable today. I'm feeling really good today, you know what I'm saying? So I'm just kick back, feet out, just relaxing. But I wanted to talk to you guys about, and I was actually going to go live and do this, but I don't know. I don't know why I didn't go live. So I'm just going to do it as a regular upload, all right? But I want to talk about multiple streams of income, guys. So, yeah, like my monthly... what I make in a month is based off of multiple streams of income. So you guys gotta understand, you can do a little bit of volume on multiple different. You can do a little bit of volume on multiple different things, and it can turn into something massive or something comfortable. All right, so let's just jump into my multiple streams of income, because it's gonna give you guys an idea of what you can do, or how you can have multiple streams as well. So first and foremost, the one you guys all know, retail arbitrage, right? Which is not even nowhere near as big as I used to do it, which was like last year when I was going out consistently all day long during RA, and literally I would make it a day of RA every single day of the week. So last year it was massive. These days, I comfortably do it. So I do it as I go out. Like if I go to get some groceries, I might stop at the Goodwill if I'm near the Goodwill, or stop at the bargain store that I'm closest to, or while I'm in Walmart, I may go look at the clearance rack. Well, not may, I will go look at the clearance rack. So I always, as I'm out with my everyday life, I'm always just looking at flips or looking at possible flips in different stores that I wouldn't have gone into otherwise, but I will now because I still have a retail arbitrage account. So I do it like that, and it's comfortable. So that brings in anywhere from a couple $100 a week, depending on how often I go out to do it. It can be as low as like $100 a week, right? But it's still a source of income. So let's say at the very least, and I'm gonna give the very least for all the numbers, right? So let's just say at the very least I make around $100 a week with my RA, because I still do send in items, and my items are really high ROIs. So let's just say, give or take, around $100 a week with RA. That's $400 a month, right? Just from RA alone. Now, then we have affiliate marketing, which I've been ramping up, and I showed you guys in one of my videos how I do affiliate marketing. There's one way I do it, and that way is Amazon affiliates, which pays me just about right now, just the Amazon side of affiliates, around like $100 a month, right? Or 100 on a low side to 280, I think was my highest month. And this is Amazon affiliates, which I don't do anything. I don't do any work for that at all. Like right now, I haven't done anything. I'm recently now I'm starting to juice that up, making review videos. So I expect that number to go way higher. I expect it to actually hit $1,000 a month pretty soon, as long as I stay consistent with making my review videos. And those review videos will last forever, at least as long as YouTube is up at least. YouTube, another source of income, which is why I recommend all the family, all of you guys, to start a YouTube channel. And I recommend, everything I'm saying I recommend. So like RA, I recommend you to do RA. I recommend you to do affiliate marketing, Amazon affiliates. And I also recommend you guys to start a YouTube channel as well. I had really good months with YouTube and, mediocre. So we could just say, give or take, anywhere between 500 and 3,000. Anywhere in between there. It's getting a little complicated now because, like I said, YouTube fluctuates. 1 month you can make a lot of money. 1 month it can go down. It just goes up and down. It just depends on your views that month. So, but yeah, YouTube is an awesome way to generate income. Really awesome. This is why you see a lot of the gurus on YouTube. You see all these guys talking about how they're making hundreds of thousands of dollars on Amazon, selling on Amazon, yet they're on YouTube. Why do you think that is? Because they're getting a lot of money making YouTube videos. Trust me. So YouTube is definitely a good source of income. Another one of my sources of income is another form of affiliate marketing, which is, like the courses I took. By the way, shameless plug, if you guys want to get some of the best courses, link in the description. It's a shameless plug. I will get a commission if you guys do, purchase a course. But it is the best courses, like hands down, period, point blank. So, like, yeah, that's an affiliate program right there. So that's another stream of income for me. That fluctuates as well, goes up and down. But yeah, that's pretty good. It's another stream. Another source for me is my music. You guys have been amazing and downloaded my single that's on, well, not my single, I really can't call it a single, but you guys have downloaded my song that I use for my intro to my videos, to most of my videos, called No Breaks. If you guys haven't downloaded it, please help your brother out and go download that, because that is just lovely. It helps me to feed my daughter. So yeah, that's another source of income. I only make like 60 cents per download, or 40 cents or something like that, but it still helps. So thank you guys. It's for $1. If you haven't already, go download that. What number are we at? How many streams of income is that so far? I don't even know. But a big one is the marketing, the online marketing and online advertising for like local companies. That's a big one. I get really big checks when I do land a job. I get a percentage of the job. So with that one, like you guys have seen, I made the most money I've ever made in a day. I made $3,500 in a day with that method right there. But then there could be weeks where you don't get anything, so it just, once again, fluctuates. But having these multiple streams of income, these multiple streams, they all combine to keep a steady flow every single month. So every single month, one may do more than the other one may do more than the other one, how it goes, but they all kind of mesh together and keep a nice flow coming in. So for me, there really isn't one that triumphs the other. They all fluctuate. So, and they all mesh together. So yeah, multiple streams. I also yeah, I actually do merch by Amazon as well. So I have t-shirts on Amazon that I sell, merch by Amazon, and that, gives me a little bit of money here and there. Not much, but it's still a nice little source, another stream. Did I miss anything? I don't think I missed anything, but I will be developing another stream of income. I'm not going to tell you guys what that is yet until I finish it. But yeah, it's all about the multiple streams. And whichever one takes off the most is the one you want to put most of your effort to, because that one could be like the cash cow and pays to help the other ones grow, and you just keep it going. So I hope this was a I don't know, this is like a lazy video today. It's Sunday. I just wanted to but you probably won't get this video until Monday if I don't get it out by tonight. So you guys are probably gonna watch this on Monday, but it is Sunday when I'm shooting this, and it's peace and love to the fam. Beautiful day. Everybody should be out there getting it. I want to see you guys create YouTube channels. I want to see you guys making some money with RA. I want to see you guys use RA to get into bigger methods of selling, like private label and or wholesale, if you want to stay on the Amazon platform, or even jump right over Amazon and start your own local business in your own area. If like you guys don't understand, you can go to Alibaba and order some stuff and you start your own local store. Let's say you're a gardener, you can order garden material and start your own local thing. There's so many ways you can make money nowadays. It's just, it's insane, right? So affiliate marketing, you guys see my last videos. If you haven't seen the video where I talk about the kid who makes $22 million doing affiliate marketing, then click right here, okay? Go check that video out. And as always, guys, it's peace and love. Make sure you hit the subscribe. Make sure you tap the bell to get notified. I will see you guys next time. I'm out. Peace.